Students, now we will discuss about the tonicity of the cell. Osmosis seen in all the organisms. Like unicellular organisms like Chlamydomonas, Paramecium and Amebia usually found in the fresh water and gain water by the process of osmosis. In these organisms, the cell exchange water with the surrounding continuously. The net intake or loss of water depend on the concentration of the water molecules. So now we will discuss about the three types of tonicity, that is hypotonic, hypertonic and the isotonic. So what is hypotonic? If an animal cell or a plant cell is placed in a hypotonic, means diluted sugar solution, the cell gain water by osmosis, because you know that in osmosis the molecules move from higher concentration to lower concentration. So due to this, the solution has higher concentration of water molecule than the cytoplasm of the cell, so that the cell gain the water. When we talk about the hypertonic solution, then hypertonic means it is very concentrated, and if we keep a cell in a hypertonic solution, it releases water into the surrounding and shrink. In this case, the cytoplasm has higher concentration of water molecule than the solution, so molecules move from higher to the lower concentration. And when we talk about the third type of solution, that is the isotonic solution, there is no change in size and shape, because isotonic solution has the same concentration in the water molecules as well in the cytoplasm. So hyper and isotonic. In hypertonic solution, the cell gain the water. In hypertonic solution, the cell loses the water and shrink. And in isotonic, the size remains same, because both the concentration of water as well as the cytoplasm is same only. So they balanced. So you have to read this, and you can repeat this resin activity also. What you have to do, you have to take some dry raisins, keep in a water for a whole night, and morning you will see it will gain water, it's swollen up.